Hi! Wala po kayong choice. Kakanta po kami ngayon. Yan. So, alam, may pailaw tayo para maganda, di ba? Sabihin naman nila. Vlogger pero walang ilaw. Yan. So, kung saan naabutin yung ilaw, palain na sana yan. Hindi na makeup pa para sa live ba yun?
Bakit nag-makeup?
Okay na yung ganyan. Okay na yung ganyang mukha, hati. Mahal ka ng mga tao sa ganyang mukha.
Hindi, nagtataling lang yun.
Magay ka naman sa kanila.
Hi, madlang people, coordinators, and dabargats.
Napanood niyo na po ba yung bago kong video? Nakapanoorin niyo po yung bago kong video. So, kakanta po tayo ngayon. Wala po kayong choice. Kung di
Hindi
makinig.
makinig po kayo.
Kung wala naman kayong... Ano, parang tayo patay nito.
Kaya nga eh, ang sayo.
So, kamusta naman ang mga buhay nyo? Hi, Lando! Nag-wave si ma'am. Yung teacher ko no high school, si ma'am Peñaranda. Hello po. Pa-shoutout daw si Jubert Di Mapili. So, akanta na po kami. Ano kakantahin natin? Actually, yung bago kong video, ngayon ko lang sinut yun. Diba? Same day edit lang tayo. Kasi, you know, kakantahin po namin ay.
Pasip ko na rin.
Ito ang favorite song ni Sandy. What's your favorite song, darling?
Dreaming of you.
Ay, taray. Sino yung naalala mo pag narinig mo yung kantang ito?
Well,
Go. Ano yung interview nga ito, te? Oh, go. Ang tawa? Oh, go.
Hindi. Kasi ang ganda ng lyrics niya. Ang ganda ng
Sino nga
tone
dito?
niya, ganun.
Oh.
Kasi sabi niya, dreaming of you. Yun parang, apang tama.
Huwag mo i-suspect kung pangit yung boses mo. Okay. Sino yung naalala mo? Sino yung mga pinapanaginipan mong mga ano?
Siyempre, crush ko.
Ah,
Crushes.
Crushes.
Kasi 10 sila.
Plural ba? Ang plural ba ng crushes?
Hindi ko alam.
May nanonood sa ating teachers
Nalagyan ko
ha.
lang ng ES.
Eh, sabi ni Kuya Jerome, Oli, kantahin na natin ang buwan. Hi, Madam Ivan! Miss you too!
Yes.
Shout out naman tayo kay Giselle Sala. So, Sheena Tapales, hello sa'yo. Okay, kakanta na po kami. Okay, hindi tayo nag-instrumental kasi diba hindi natin kaya ang tono. So, mag-a-acapella lang tayo. Tsaka, please, huwag na po kayo mag-inarte.
Kinakabahan na ako.
Hindi ako nakabante.
Hindi ako magaling. Hindi ako marunong kumanta.
Ikaw may alam yung kantang to. Magaling po si Sandy kumanta. Kaya po, talagang gusto ko. Go. Ready na? 1,
Dahil si GM, dahil isali.
JM, ito ka. Mag-harmonize ka. Hi, Honey Prince! Junetto, applause! Ang aking honey ng high school. Ano ba day? Applause. Si Maring Moreno nanonood din ngayon. Tsaka si Kyle Karaig. Okay. This is Dreaming of You by Selena.
Selena?
Basta yun.
Tama, Selena. Selena.
Kakadate eh. Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I wish on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. Ting! Chorus na!
Ay, wala pa.
Ayun.
Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight. Yeah.
O, sabay tayo pa din kami. 1, 2, 3, go. Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be.
Yeah.
Here in my room.
Here in my room.
Dreaming about you and me.
You and me.
O, ikaw lang nakakalam ng part na
Ikaw
to.
na, te.
Ay, ikaw lang nakakalam ng part na to eh.
Wonder if you...
Pag walang camera, hindi po siya ganyan.
Sabi nila, baliw ako.
O, go.
Wonder if you ever see.
Alam niyo, pag wala pong camera, sobrang ganda po ng boses ni Semi.
Mukha mo, kuya.
Nanonood ang nanay ko. Hello, pa, I love you!
Taray, love you po, Nay.
Kaya makayos ka, te. Baka mapalayas ka dito, te. Nanonood yung nanay ko. Oh, go.
Saan ako?
Wonder if you ever see.
And I wonder if you know I'm there, yeah.
Yeah, todo na to.
Yeah!
If you look in my eyes, what you see? Would you see what's inside?
Just see what's inside. Would you even care? Chorus ulit. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be
Then here in my room, dreaming about
you and me.
Oh, diba?
Corazón, I can't stop dreaming of you. No puedo dejar de pensar en ti. I can't stop dreaming. Now I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be.
Ano sabi niya?
Here in my dreaming about you and me.
Classmate ko ng college, Maria Talavera.
May nagsabi sa sapit na Loke, sabi ni Kuya Jerome, sasaktan kita, Sandy.
Masasaktan kita. Charot.
Ayan, mag-request na po kayo ng mga kataksi, tapos na po kami sa aming unang nababoy. May tap ako dito para malaman ang mga lyrics niyan, kaya comment na anong gusto daw nila mag-Mariah, te.
Wow, pakapot ko.
Ayan, antayin na rin ang mic ko. Bago lahat ko, kay Patrick po, sa inyo lahat.
Tommy Macho.
Hindi ko comfy. May iba pa yung comfy, chikay.
Ewan ko sa'yo, kuya.
Happy New Year! Happy Chinese New Year! Ganun. Yan. I'm thinking of you.
Dumo.
Grabe ka. In the sleepless summer. Ayan, baka may nato kayo kay Sandy, mag-iing siya na naman. Isa po si Sandy sa mga mahinig mamako. Kaya, ano lang, tusakto lang yan. I'm thinking of
Lamig sa yung jacket.
in my sleepless solitude tonight, in the room to love you.
Isa yun sa mga favorite na song ko eh.
Ay, talaga po.
Ni Mariah.
Ang ganda yun.
Sample.
At sa...
BTS! Pit pa yun!
Pisit!
And my heart just won't let me be right, 'cause I'm drowning you, and I won't pull through without you by my side. I keep my all to have just one more night with you. I'd risk my life to feel your body next to mine, 'cause I can't go on living in the memory of the sun. I give my all for your love tonight. Baby, can you feel it?
Imagining I'm looking in your eyes, I can see you clearly.
Kulot.
Vividly. Ano yan?
Emblazoned in my mind. mine, and you're so far, like a distant star. I'm wishing you tonight. I give my...
Lamig.
Ay, cool.
Ay, sige ang kuya.
Oh, GM. I give my all.
No. Ay, no, kanin eh.
Malayo yung boses ko.
Okay na yun tayo.
I rest my life to feel your body next to me. Ano yan tayo? Oh, masyado nang mataas yun. So, next na po tayo. Si BNTGM naman daw. Sabi ni Kyle. Oh,
Yung
Kyle.
favorite yung kata niya, I like the way you
I like the way we... Hindi ko alam yung kantang yun, pero cute yun. Ah, GM, yung may song. Kita mo sa bagong video. May bagong video sa GM, kaya panoorin niyo na po ang kanyang people's...
Assumption.
O yun yung assumption about GM. Go.
Kakantayin ko na siya.
Go.
Grabe yung ubo sa mic pa.
Virus?
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, Doriel! Pok, hello, musta na? Yan, isa rin sa mga kakantahan ko. Kilala mo yun, di ba si Orange?
Oo, si Orange, yung classmate mo nung...
Flora Caspen, go.
Nurse na ata siya ngayon.
Midwife eh. Ba yung nurse?
Sorry naman
Go.
po.
What? Di ba alam mo yan?
Patay mo 1, 2, 3. Bakit ka agad?
Kaya mo.
1, 2, 3. Di ako tutuloy.
Takbo.
Go.
Bebang tumakas.
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples and the color of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared. 'Cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shadow, like your fingers love the way they smell. To be a favorite planet, just look always be there. I love you for so long, sometimes it's hard to win. But after all this time, I hope you wait and see. Love you every minute, every second. Love you every moment. Always and forever. I can be
Ganon. Ang galing naman ni GM. Congratulations. Alam naman po ang next song namin. Kuya Lloyd, kakapanood ko lang po ng vlog yung sabi ni Claudine Bautista. Thank you po.
Okay din.
Sabi na, shoutout daw si Alexa Arcaida. Hello po sa inyo. Tagdaan sila. I love, so beautiful niya tayo. Sabi niya.
Ayun nga.
Si Gia de la Paz. Ano ang next song? Kailangan nyo mag-request kasi di ba?
Tagalog naman po.
Tagalog. May standard kita. Ano ba ang pinaka-standard mo pag Tagalog singing?
Gusto ko yung ano. Ano ba yun kuya? Parang ako nagtatanong dati ito naman.
OGM, alis.
Ano? Daman-daman mo yung meaning ng kanta.
Ano ang kanta yun?
Ano? Tawag dito. Yung aking pagmamahal. Yun.
Ha?
Yung aking pagmamahal.
Paano yun?
Si Sandy, ano?
Ano yun?
Favorite mo yun.
Yung rapper.
Ay, dapat na yung pabalot.
Ah, joke ka.
Wait, nag-entry ka! Funny ka! Ayan, naalaala mo kaya sabi ni Harl Paredes. Shoot up naman yan.
Kuya, may edit.
Good morning po. I thank you next. Gusto mo yung thank you next?
Hindi ko alam yun eh. Bilis-bilis nun eh.
Thank you.
Next yun lang.
Thank you. Thank you. Next. Ganun lang. Ganun lang yun. Yan. Thought I'd be shy, but it wasn't much. Wrote some songs on my wiki. Now I listen alive. Even no one's got married. And for being I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm.
What's your...
You was an angel. One time he loved, one time he patient, one time he pain. Now I'm so amazing. Ayun, Papa ko nanonood. Happy birthday po, Sandy! From my Papa, Papa June.
birthday. Thank you po kahit advance.
That's not what I see. Look what I got. Look what you taught
Ay,
me.
kuya, Chinese song daw na rin. Chinese New Year.
Thank you.
Next. Thank you. Next.
Thank you.
Next.
I'm so fucking grateful for my ex.
Thank you, next.
Kahit ayaw mo na daw ko na.
Ano kaya tayo mo na?
Kahit ayaw mo na. Pero pinag-isipan.
Ayun.
okay.
Tatalon,
Ano
tatakbo.
ang title doon?
Kahit ayaw mo na.
Ay, babe. Okay, favorite song ko yan ng isang linggo. So ngayon, kantahin natin. Ayan, sikat na sikat mo.
Oh, pag ako na tayo dito.
Kahit
Ayaw mong version.
ikaw ay magaling,
Ano yung putik ka?
sa'yo lang lalapit,
Lalapit.
sa'yo lang aawit.
Aawit.
Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na,
Naman ako nagtago eh.
ibig. Gusto ko yan. Sagutin mo. Okay. From the top.
Ang kalitan tawa ni Kuya. Ano yung Kuya?
Wait. Kahit
Anong kahit?
ikaw ay magaling,
Hindi ako nagagalit.
sa'yo lang ang lapit,
Sige lang.
sa'yo lang aawit.
Kahit ano gagawin mo.
Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na,
Hindi naman ako nagtago.
ibigin pa rin.
Naiging yan ang sinasabi mo. Mahal mo
Kahit
ako.
ayaw mo na.
Pero ikaw ang umayaw, hindi ako.
Ay! Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo.
Junior!
Isipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap mong na huwag ka na lulumis. Tayo'y mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to.
Hindi ka daw.
Shindy?
Taling sabihin na ayaw mo na,
Ayaw ko na.
pero pinag-isipan mo ba?
Check and church ba ako?
Lapit, lapit, ako'y nalapit, layo ng layo. Ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo, tayo'y malabo. Umalik at muli ka rin aalis, tatakbo ka na mabilis, iyayakapin na mahigpit. Ang hirap ba? Di mo alam ang iyong pupuntahan. Kung ako ba ay bibigyan o nalilito lang kung saan.
Kasi nga mahirap maligaw.
Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. Isipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap ko na huwag ka nang lumis. Tayo'y mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo bumiwan, aayusin natin to.
Talaga ba? Yes!
Kahit ayaw mo na,
Gusto ko pa!
pero pinag-isipan mo ba?
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Lapit, lapit, ako'y lapit, layo ang layo. Pagka naman
Kuya Robert. Kuya Robert ba yun?
Reagan yan.
Ay, si Regan pala.
Uy. Yan na po yun. Ano pa? Next song.
Ano daw?
Next song is brought to you by alas 12 na ng gabi.
That time check is brought to you by Lipin Sentin. Tingnan ni Beba.
Bulok na GM.
Bulok ni GM.
Taba ni
Taba ni Roy. And Ilong Sentin.
Nangamatis.
Ano ba ibang mga kanta? Ang ano daw? Hindi po siya si... Hindi po siya si Shinley. Siya po ay si Sandy.
Hi guys.
Hi Robert! Ayan. Gusto ko yun? Sabi ni Chan Gabriel. Ano bang magandang next song, Pep?
Rock and roll naman. Charot. Tama, ako yung namamala.
Ganun tayo. Gusto mo yung ganon? Gusto mo yun? Sakit sa utak. Sira yung tali ko.
Makakatalaga na nakasta kuya.
Kaya nga eh, mukha ko si Pepe Smith. Sumalangit na wa.
Opo. Condolence po.
Ano ba magandang rock song?
Si...
Yung ano, no, si Balasik.
Pangarap ko, ang ibigin ka.
Te, rock song, te.
Rock song ba? Ay. Lak-lak tama. Ay.
Lakas tama! Ako'y nawawala! Nawawala ang isip ko pag nakikita ka si tawa! Ako'y nawawala! Nawawala ang isip ko pag nakikita ka si tao! Gano'n? Grabe ingay! Ano ba maganda kanta?
Sakit sa legs?
Totoo? Ano ba maganda?
Ako.
Araw-gabi.
Araw-gabi.
Siya, hindi ikaw sa oras ha.
Puti.
Ayan. Di biro ang sumulat ng awitin para sa'yo.
Walang lyrics.
Kung isang siraulo, iyon ito.
Bakit naginom ka ba?
Sa'kin pa nangyano, narinig, ninano.
Bakit malagkot kasi kamay mo?
Pagkasakaling merong tono, bigla na lang umuspo.
Hala, patay ka diha.
Tungkol sa naman kaya awitin para sa'yo.
Hindi para sa crush ko.
Di biro ang gawing sukat ang titik sa tono.
Talaga ba?
Sa buwan nakikisyon kung anong may tiwas to.
Totoo yan.
True. Basta isipin di magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo.
Don't say ma. Sandy.
Ay! Lamig!
Yan, yan.
Go!
Nasa isip ka,
Woo!
napapanaginip ka. Regine. Kahit saan man mapunta, araw-gabi,
Lamig!
nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Ayan. Biruin kong nasabi ko ang nais kong ibahati. Dapat mo lamang mapatid naman itong dibdib. Tisong tangawin ang matapos ko likain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin.
Si GM naman ko yan.
Tanggapin at tingin.
Ikaw na.
Jano Gibbs version!
Nasa isip
Ah!
napapanaginip na kahit saan pumunta. Araw, gabi,
Woo!
Regine!
napapaisip ka, napapanaginip ka, araw-gabi.
Tayong dalawa, araw-gabi, tayong dalawa.
Ito mo! Bigyan ng pente!
Yeah! Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka.
Nasa isip.
Yun yung choir. Napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi,
Nasa tawa. Nakakapiling ka.
araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Okay, tagal ko nang naghihintay na sa akin ay mag-aalay na pag-ibig at tunay at di magwawakas. Pangarap ko at ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko, pangarap ko, pangarap ko. Ay, ibigin ka.
Ay, alam ko na, Queen. Maganda
Mash up, gusto mo yun?
True. Maganda naman tayo, Korean song.
Ay, may alam ako.
Ano?
Yung favorite ko to Korean song eh.
Ano?
Ayan.
Ano?
Yung magandang song, yung nakakaiyak yun eh. Yung Korean. Korean songs. may man pa yung nakakaiyak. Wait na. Yung tayo ni ano eh. Kaya kayo muna, search muna ako.
Du.
Sayaw ka ng switch it up.
Ano kaya?
Ayun, Dream of Goose. Favorite ko yan.
Nanananan.
Alam niyo yan? Alam yan?
Hindi po.
Yung chingaya na tumiyo sa'yo. Yan, nagkakabati sa atin. Binabati ko po si Nel Johanna Devara at ang husband niyang Diti Dirk. Kaya, hello sa inyo. Galing kay Honey Prince Junello Aplos.
Gusto daw nila ng shallow.
Nakulis. Ayan, syempre hindi ko po alam yung di ba yung tunay na pronunciation, pero we will try. Nakulis ojo, mijo na uya ano na kasukishi Chorus na.
Saan bang palabasan, kuya?
Basta. Unihaya na kumisadyo Basta yun. Ito yung favorite song ko to. Ito yung favorite Korean song ko.
O, iba naman.
Kasi ang ibig sabihin nito, it's about your dream. Ito, babasahin natin ang kanyang translation ha.
I have a dream.
I have a dream. Even if I am thrown away and ripped to shreds, deep in my heart, I have a dream as precious as gem.
In Tagalog, mayroon talaga siyang pangarap.
In short, ang Tagalog version ito ay yung Ako ang nagwagi. Yon. If by chance, without a reason, somebody ridiculous me behind my back, I should be patient. I would wait just for that day. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo dapat minamadali ang pangarap mo.
True, dapat maghintay tayo.
As you always worry, you say that foolish dreams are poisonous. Just like a book that tells us about the end of the world.
Ay!
Lalim na. Huwag na natin basahin. So, magbalik daw. Ano magbalik?
Ano?
Yung
Tulad
ano,
ng mundong hindi.
Ay, ayoko siya. So, next song.
Shadow.
Shallow. Ay, gusto ko yan ah. Ikaw si Brandon Cooper.
Ay, pwede. Kasi lang po.
Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling.
Taray.
In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself.
Taray, feel na feel. Sabi mo ako yung baba.
Ikaw nga.
Sana?
Hindi ka ka.
Tell me something.
Go.
Ano? Aren't?
Are you?
Aren't you
Aren't you trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? And it's heart leaping, it's so hardcore.
Maraming salamat sa pagbasa.
Hindi ko alam. Chorus lang alam ko.
In all the good times I find myself longing
For change. Saan na tayo? And in the bad times, I fear myself.
I'm on a deep end, watch as I dive in. I never leave the ground. Rush to the surface where they can hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow. In the shallow.
Saan ka lagi ng part na parang?
In the shallow, we're far from the shallow now. Favorite part. Oh, 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 I'm on the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never leave the ground. Crash to the surface where they can hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow.
Shallow.
In shallow.
Todo pa.
Hey! In the shallow. We're far from the shallow now.
Taray, tamoy ko lot.
Oh, doon talaga. From, ano yan? From Goodwill.
Dami ko lot.
Oh, next song naman. Ano ba yan? Magbasa tayo ng mga comments. Ayan. Hi, Ate Sandy. Sabi ni Kyle Cian Miguel. Watcher from Abu Dhabi. Super fan po ko ninyo. Sabi ni Benito Goga. So, dapat pala sa page cut na ginawa to, no?
Ay, sayang.
Alam ko na every night nag-live tayo sa page. Kuha tayo ng mga request. Chat.
Ano bumaba ng views natin?
Celebration po ito ng celebration po ba ito ng Chinese New Year? Sabi ni Angel Alcantara. Yes. Ayan. Ano pa? Ang hilo.
Ang ganda naman shallow yan. Ayan, no, halo.
Remember those walls I've been. Well, baby, let's fall down. Even though you put up a fire, make a sound. Wait lang, hanapin ko yung lyrics. Yan, wait lang.
Yan na.
Remember those walls I built, but baby, let you fall down. It didn't even put up a fight, it didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I have my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every ride you break it is a risk that I'm taking. I am never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see you halo.
Pwede ka na gumawa ng cover mo, kuya.
Nasaan tayo?
Sa bahay.
Bigay mo
Comment
si
mo kung
Cindy.
pwede pong gumawa na ng covers kay Lloyd. Tiyara.
Hit me like a racing, running through the darkest night. You're the only one that I want, and I'm addicted to your light. I swear I'll never fall again. Tas kasi, I swear I'll never fall. Antay ko sa version ko I swear I'll never fall again. But this is everything like falling. Gravity can't forget. So pull me back to the ground again. Just like I've been awakened. Everywhere I had to break it. It's the risk that I'm taking. I'm never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. You're sweet with no over your face. Baby, I can see your halo. Baby, won't fade. Halo, halo, I can see your halo. Halo, I can feel your halo. Halo, I can feel your halo. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. Strength and all over your face. Baby, I can see your halo. Pray it won't fade away. Pray it won't fade away. Pray it won't fade away. I can see your halo.
Halo.
I can feel your halo.
Halo.
I can see your halo. I can see your halo. I can see your halo. I can feel your halo. I can see your halo.
Tinatapos yung kanta. Putik na kanta yan.
Okay, next song naman. Sabi dito, kanta naman kayo ng Fifth Avenue daw. Fifth lang. Kung makamot ka doon ng Pret GF, babli ka daw.
Kasi sinasabi nila kung baga saan pa.
Secret.
Hindi, sinasabi ng ibang fans, sana po wag nyo sabihin.
Ayan, alam mo, ayan, wait lang. Kung alam niyo kung nasa yung bahay namin, pwede ba huwag niyo ipagkalat, ha? Kasi hindi ibig sabihin na alam niyo yung bahay namin, may karapatan na kayong ipagkalat, sumugod dito. Alam niyo yung privacy?
Galit ka na niyan.
Hindi ako galit. Kasi minsan, kasi maliit na yung bahay namin. Sa baba ako nakabis, sa baba ako nakaubad. Tapos susugod kayo. Magpaalam! O kaya pumunta sa mga meet and greet. Diba? Irespeto natin ang privacy ng bawat isa. Hindi porket, diba? Know our limits. Yun lang. Wala namang masama dun sa pagpapapicture sa labas. Pero sugod sa bahay. Walang ganon. Ano, GM, Fifth Avenue daw.
Fifth Avenue.
Week naman daw.
Weak.
Week.
I don't know.
Ayun.
I don't know what it is that you're gonna do me.
Concert mo. Hindi ka na papayag.
But it cost me to act in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you do away. It's a feeling that I don't understand. Cause my heart stops beating 3-4 times without some loving you on my mind.
I can't figure out just what to do when the cause is you.
Yeah, I get so weak in this, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. It's something
Something so me
in a
the
day.
face is so amazing. It's not the face.
I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right up on my feet.
Can't explain why your love makes me weak. Oh.
Time after time after time, I try to fight it.
Woo!
But your love is strong, it keeps on holding on. Really understand when you're around, starts fading. In a condition, I don't want me. Ang tono nito. Ang tono. That's my heart, stop beating 3-4 times with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when it goes of you, it's you. I get so in this, I get hardly speak, I lose self control. It's something that's over me. Even days it's still amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right up on my feet. I can't stay on your love, makes me weak.
Makes me weak.
Favorite part. I try hard to fight it. No, I didn't Your love so sweet, knocks me up my feet. Diba sa tono? Ulitin natin. Sige, hindi kasi matawa eh. I try hard to fight it.
Woo!
No way I can deny it. Your love is so sweet, knocks me up my feet. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Something take over me. In the vision, it looks so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right up on my feet. I can't explain why your love makes me weak.
Ay, ayun pa.
Ay, lungkot ng version ni GA. Parang sad yung sa'yo, be. Okay, next
Kasi next
song.
week daw kasi.
Oo. Pautuin na po yung kahit ayaw mo na. Nakanta na po namin yan.
May po. Taga-multi.
Okay, Joe, GM.
What's the next song you prefer? Any suggestion?
Naghahanap ako.
Feeling ko maganda yung ano yung lagi mong kinakanta?
Yung bahay ko po, charot. Ano yan?
Alam ko na. Ano yung favorite mo ka? Glory of Love.
Ikaw yun, yung favorite mo yun.
Ano yan?
Wonderful Tonight yung favorite.
Ay, gusto ko yun, yung pang matatanda. Go.
Gusto ko yung I don't want to
I don't wanna
talk about it.
Ano kay? I don't wanna wait anything for your love. Ano?
I don't
Ayan.
wanna talk about it.
Ay, taray. I don't wanna...
So,
Talk
Paano pa mag-umpisa sa hindi kasi kanta mo pa? Go.
Ba yung ano nga, umpisa? Hindi ko alam umpisa nga. Paano? Kung saan alam ko dyan.
Ito, pakinggan natin. I can tell.
Ako na.
Ayan.
Ang ganda! Sige! Ayun.
I can tell.
That you probably can tell by your eyes.
Alam niyo na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Asan na?
I can tell by your eyes that you probably...
Been crying forever.
Wow! Lungkot na kanta!
And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're a mirror. Tama.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I don't wanna talk about it.
Ay, lamig.
How you broke my heart.
Ay, sakit! Happy Valentine's!
If I stay a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen
Ah,
to my heart? Oh, my heart. Ano yan?
you know what, baby?
If I stand all alone with the shadow.
Shadow are the colors of my heart. Blue for the tears, black for the night. Tears that stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you.
Yan na, GM na. Tan, 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 tan.
I wanna
Nan, asan mo na? Charot ka.
Sila-
how you broke my heart.
Sinubukan eh. Tuloy yung babae. Go!
If I stay just a little bit longer.
Eh, eh!
If I stay just to listen
Paano ano?
to my heart.
Ay, ganun.
Ouch.
I don't wanna talk about it. How you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer. If I stay, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, would you listen? Yeah, yeah,
Nagkita. Ano na eh? Akin ang scream.
I don't wanna talk about it. How you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer. If I stay here
If I stay, you must listen.
to my heart. won't you listen to my
Pagod na. Tubig. May Manaya version.
Oh, go! You're the reason daw. Ano yun?
You are the reason. Ay. Wait lang, ano ba yun?
You're the reason that I breathe.
You're the reason that I still believe. So come and dance with me. Nobody's stepping out to stop us. Nothing can ever come between us. So come and dance with me. Yes, me, I want you that I will miss forever, I will see you that I will miss forever, I will follow.
I'm so ready tonight. No, Judas title.
Ito, favorite song ko to.
Iba yun sa Judas
Oh, sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. I will leave my heart at the door. I won't say a word. They've all been said before, you know. So why don't we
Kasi napat ako.
just play pretend like we're scared of what's coming next. I'm scared of having nothing left alone. Get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow.
All I ask is
This is my last night with you.
hold me like I'm more than just a friend.
Oh.
Give me a memory I can use.
Bohemian Rhapsody naman daw.
Take me, anong hirap naman nun?
Take me by the hand while we do what lovers do.
Ba't
And that's how they say. So what if I never love again? Let this be a lesson in love. Let this be the way we remember us. I don't want to be ambitious. I ain't asking for forgiveness. All I ask is in. This is my last night with you.
Power back.
Hindi namin sa note.
Hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Give me another friend I can use. Oh, behavior. Ano na, Bohemian Rhapsody daw. Take me by the hand while we do what lovers do. It matters how they say. Is this the real life? It's just fantasy. Caught in the last night, escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the sky.
Chorus lang. Ay, hindi.
I'm just a poor,
Mama.
I'm just a poor boy. I need no sympathy because I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anyway, the wind blows, does it really matter to me?
To me.
Mama,
Mama.
just killed a man. But I gotta get his head. Pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has just begun, but now I'm going to throw it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow,
Carry on.
nothing really matters. Too late, my time has come.
My time has come.
Send shivers down my spine. Body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave it all behind and face the truth. Mama, oh yeah.
And
I really wanna die. Patay na kayo. Ayan, tingin ko, tama na to para sa ating live for tonight. Kasi medyo alas 12 na. Pero we all want to take sa lahat ng mga nakasama sa amin. Shout out muna tayo. Shout out. Ay, parang gusto ko yung My Heart Will Go On.
ay, paulit.
Ayan, ayun natin yung last song.
Pampatudog.
Request siya ni Chloe Tinay. Shout out muna kay Princess Helena Raya, kay Princess Kim Regis, kay Maria Alcancha, kay Prince Doylos II, kay Victor Franco na palagi nagbibigay sa amin ng mga magandang song. My Heart Will Go On po ang aming encore. Thank you very much for coming tonight. Aragata! Oh, Brock, anong lighting mo na? Uy. Shing. Antok na, te. Antok na.
Paano lighting?
Every night in my dreams,
My dream.
I see the fear. That is how I know you. Go on.
Diyan may boses ni Celine.
Far
Hirap
across
ka nun.
the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Ay, labig. Ay!
Wherever you are, I believe that the heart does
Go
on. Once more, you open that door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on.
Oh.
Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime and never let go till we're gone. Love was when I loved you one true time. I hold you, yeah. In my life will always go on.
Go on!
Go!
Go!
Go on.
Here.
Far,
Far.
wherever you are,
Wherever you are.
I believe that the heart does
Ay,
go
Go on.
on. Once more, there's nothing
And I know asan na ba?
that my heart will
Go on We'll stay
stay.
Stand on.
Stay.
Stay.
Ito si Jim, stand mo na.
Stay.
Stay. Paano Sandy?
We'll
Go!
forever this way
You safe
in my heart and
my heart will go on and
Ginamitan namin niya.
Ganun yun.
Nag-humming.
May hamin kasi ng talaga.
Ay, meron.
Maraming salamat. Good night, everyone!